Hello guys, this is Bonnie, and we in the kitchen, and we are making raviolis pasta. Yummy, yummy. We gonna make it start and then so let's go. Okay. Hello guys, this is Bonnie, and then we are making like raviolis pasta, and then so let's get started. So I can pour the thing in here, mix it. Mama, need your help. Wait, do I? Yeah, it's not hot. It's not that hot. So guys, we'll mix it all up. And I know it's not leaving hard, it's just easy to do. And see, I'm done. And then we're gonna add 2 sauce. Ooh, that's good. Now we'll spread the pasta. So we're gonna put these.
What are those?
Raviolis. And then put a lot of raviolis. If it's full, then I'm gonna just put the rest of the ingredients. Now, we'll put the brown meat in here. We'll spread it. Let's use this to spread out the ground meat. Okay, now I'm gonna put it down. And then to like put. Then we'll put like spread the ground meat. Wait, I'm gonna spread it first. So we're gonna do some cheese. So we're gonna sprinkle a little cheese. See? We'll do like this kind of little cheese. Guys, is that enough or that's good? Is it? See? We're going to add the raviolis. Ooh, those are so good. Oh! Right. See, guys? That's good. That's how you make it. So I'm gonna put like, that's okay if you, they good, but you can make these ground meat. So we're gonna put the rest of the ground meat. So you can spread it with your hand. Look, see, you can do a spatula. That's okay for more spatulas. So we're gonna put the rest of the ground meat. See? Ooh, man, we're running out. I need some more ground meat.
Maybe we could just spread it around because we don't have any more.
Oh, yeah. I think I'll put like some more here.
I should have did more.
They put the rest of it. Keep missing spots. Okay, that's good. Because then we're gonna add more sauce and then we'll spread it. Ooh, look at this. Wait, if you get. So we're gonna put the cheese. So let's go. Put, oh wait, that's not, that's a lot. See? A little bit full, it's almost full. So now almost full. Wait, I'm just going to like this. Wait, Mom, I need some more of that. Some more right here. Now I'm gonna do like this. Then I'm gonna put, I think that's it. I'm just gonna do it. I think, done. Spread it like this. Put some more right here. But that's okay. So now we are done. So we'll put it in the oven for 30 minutes. So bye, friends. We'll see you in the morning. Hello, guys. Welcome back. So these raviolis are done. So let's taste them. I think they're good. Yeah, they're good. They're really good. I think, what is this? What is this, guys?
Piece of cheese.
Oh.